Welcome to the Newport Boat Show here in Rhode Island. We have the world debut of a new model in the Sunseeker Ocean Range. And here she is, absolutely stunning, behind me, the new 182 Ocean. The 182 stands for the Gross Tonnage. She delivers a huge volume for the interior space. I did a previous walkthrough of the 90 Ocean, which has the same beam at 23 feet and 6 inches and is also 88 feet and 11 inches in length. You can find that walkthrough in the right corner over here. So same as on the 90 Ocean, on your starboard side here you have a foldable barbecue grill. The platform lowers down, you can have a Williams tender for 60. Plenty of storage under the extend, lounge seating. Hidden here are the 2 storage compartments for 2 sea bobs. As well, you have a sea stairs which is hidden under there for easy access to the water for swimming or when you want to disembark the yacht while in port. Here on the aft cockpit area, as you can see, you have the extend now facing towards the salon. When you lower it and it faces towards the ocean, you got plenty of sun lounging space. On port side, you have a little sink to wash your hands, prepare a drink. You have an ice maker right over there. I'm walking here towards the starboard side and you can see you have your bow stern proportional thrusters. In general, very complete docking station, and I have a good view here from the side. I'm here on the bow foredeck and you can see very large area here for entertaining. You got your refrigerators here for drinks, and as well you have 8 carbon fiber poles and they hold up this awning. I just stepped into the salon and this is where all the changes are. Since you have moved the wheelhouse upstairs to the enclosed flybridge, you can have the dining table all the way forward, and the galley as well has a different position. Dining table, comfortable for 8 people. The galley, again, very social with the dining area. Besides the fridge and freezer, you have an extra 2 drawer fridges here. And all the way to the front, you have lots of storage. Between the galley and the salon, there's an optional day head. On starboard side, the seating area, you can easily have 10 people. And as well, the TV can be at an angle. The side blinds are electric. As well, the 182 is spec'd with tropical air conditioning, which is a total of 318,000 BTUs. On port side, you have a sliding door. Let's get down to the VIP, just like the 90 Ocean. Beautiful color combination. The spiral staircase leads up to the enclosed flybridge. Let's have a look down where you will find, just like the 90 Ocean, you will find the master and the 2 other guest staterooms. Starboard guest room has either 2 single beds or you combine them and you have a double. I'm now entering into the master stateroom. At starboard side you have the breakfast seating arrangement. And on port side you have the vanity desk. I'm here now on the enclosed flybridge and just fantastic. I mean, this is where you get the volume from. This is another area where you can entertain. Great layout of a bar section with extra drawer fridges. Plenty of space as well on the outside, and this is an optional wet bar with a large grill. And again, fridges, drawer fridges for drinks. And a commercial ice maker. And with this you created just another private area. And all the glass behind it here to give you extra view. If you want extra shade in this area, you have an electric awning. As well, for maneuvering, we placed on the stern a camera here so you can see the swim platform. And let me know in the comment section if you like enclosed or if you prefer the open flybridge.